Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to scrap all the reviews from this website. This website have multiple different car brands and their user reviews from different location for each car and for each brand and each car model. So we'll be looking for the reviews for each car models and scrap the reviews, all the reviews from the user. And this task will contain multiple pagination because there will be lots of reviews for each car. We will handle the pagination in our scrapper, and also we'll generate CSV result from that from the scrapper. So without doing further let's go and see how we can create a scrapper for this particular task. Bye. Okay guys, so far so good. The scrapper is running. Here you can see the scrapper is running accurately and collecting the data. So thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye bye.